Education Coding Kid, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install the iOS 14 public beta on your devices. So I've been in this world for quite a bit of time. Actually, I've installed the iOS 14 developer beta when it came out, as developers get access to the early version. So I have an iPad Pro right over here, and I'm going to show you how to install the iOS 14 public beta. Okay, so the iPad should be there now, and I'll show you how to install the iOS 14 public beta. So the first thing you want to do is go in Safari, and then go and type in iOS 14 public beta. And I spelled it wrong, but it comes up. I can also put the link in the description if there's anyone who wants. It's beta.apple.com, and you can sign up for the iOS beta software program, and you can just basically download the thing. And at the end of this, I'll also show you the beta, public beta 2. So this is the public beta, it's not the developer beta. So it lets you, it's a bit more stable, that's what I'll say. You can just click sign up, the big blue button, and it'll have you log in. So I'm going to blur this, but just log in with your own. So once you've done all that, you just click trust to make sure it trusts your device, and then you have to accept the software agreement. Okay, so once you have it open and once you've signed in, you should see a page that looks something like this, and it automatically starts off at macOS. So just go to the top, and depending on what operating system you're doing this for, so this tutorial is only for iPad and iPhone. So all you have to do is right on the top, you can choose, just click iOS if you're doing it for iOS, or iPadOS if you're doing it for iPad. So I'm doing it for iPad, but it's literally the same exact thing for iPad or iOS. So just click on your operating system and then scroll down to where it says Get Started, and the little blue thing over where it says Enroll Your iPad, click that. Enroll your devices. So you can choose iOS or iPad at this point. So scroll down, you should do a backup, but because for beta software, it's not always the most important to a backup, but I will do a backup in order to just make everything super easy. So it depends on what you're doing. If you have a Mac or Windows computer, just follow the instructions through iTunes. I'm just gonna do a quick iCloud backup, and I'll come back to you once I'm backed up. But the only thing is, we just scroll all the way down on this, and you just do a backup is useful most of the time. If not, just skip that. Then just go down to the bit which says download profile. So click the download profile button. Then wait 1 second. This website trying to download a configuration profile. Click allow. Close. Then it sometimes opens it up in settings. This time it's decided not to. But you go scroll down to general. Then you can go down to your profiles. But for this case, okay, it doesn't want to put it there. Then you go down to profile. Go to your downloaded profile, and then the button that says install. Type in your password. Okay, then click install. So you're not actually installing, so it wants me to restart. So I guess I have to restart. Gonna be annoying. So let me restart and I'll get back. So once you've restarted your iPad, if you just go down, click on general, and under profile, if it says iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 beta software profile, then if you just go over to software update, and then it'll say iOS 14 public beta 3, and you can read what's inside it, and you should have automatic updates turned on. So let's download and install. Type in your password, and it'll start downloading it. And then it'll ask you when you want to download it. But once it's done, just click the install button, and that's it. That's all you have to do to install iPadOS beta 3 or any public beta. that sort. If you want a tutorial for a Mac, please hit me up in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.